Oh snap, it's time to repair. So my rear spark plug blew out one day on my 1969 FLH, sitting there at a stoplight, and just bang, it flew right out with the insert that was already installed just a couple months earlier. Talk about a drag. So I had to get a new weld done and then have it retapped. And here it is, all nice and pretty, all put back together. So let's go over the parts that I'm going to use for this rebuild. So as you can see, I'm going to use a new rocker gasket, some new intake O-rings, some new pushrod seals, some oil line seals. There is an exhaust gasket right there, also a solenoid gasket, a new head gasket, and also I have a new set of S&S steel push rods I'm going to install in this video series. So the S&S steel push rods are nice, high quality. I bought them at a swap meet for $20, and I'm really excited about putting them in. And I have the new head already assembled. I'm going to be putting on the rocker box here pretty soon on the next video. So let's get to it.